When working with the node graph, one of the most important things to do is to manage your data to reduce project complexity. The safest way to do this is to use breakpoint nodes to cache your streams when they're not in use. This hasn't always been the easiest of workflows when working with materials, as you could only connect one stream per breakpoint node. Mari 4.7 brings a much needed solution, the most requested feature, the multi-channel breakpoint node. Multi-channel breakpoint nodes provide artists with the ability to fine-tune control over data by selecting which streams you'd like to batch bake. To get started, simply select the multi-channel merge node. Hit Tab and pick Multi-Channel Breakpoint node. On creation, you're presented with a dialog that allows you to select which resolution and bit depth to use for your breakpoint nodes by default. If you select a multi-channel merge node, the shader model matches and cannot be edited. For now, I want Mari to set up my breakpoint node to respect the downstream channel data. At its core, the multi-channel breakpoint node is simply a container for many standard breakpoint nodes. In the node properties, all the breakpoint nodes within are displayed the same way as active and inactive streams are displayed in the properties of a multi-channel merge node. You'll also see the following actions: bake active, which bakes only the active channels connected to the downstream shader; bake selected, which you can use to bake single or multiple channels; delete bake, which deletes any baked data that you no longer want stored in your breakpoint nodes; and select edit properties if you need to adjust your breakpoints. Here, much like the Export Manager UI, you can configure the breakpoint nodes at the top level. To edit multiple breakpoint nodes at once, press Shift and select, and right-click the property you wish to modify. The multi-channel breakpoint node also works in conjunction with the limited patch range feature that we introduced in Mari 4.6 v4, meaning that now you only ever have to bake the data that you need at a given point. Using the tools combined, you can start selectively baking patches at different resolutions all in one place. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Stay safe and happy painting!